Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MCA new assignments 2024 course, and this is the MCS 214 professional skills. And in this video, there is a passage we can see this, and lots of questions are here. So one by one, we will discuss about all the questions. So first is we are discussing here all the six questions are here, and the first one is what is the purpose of a meeting according to the writer. The second one is the can't do Thai wants to maintain a status quo, elaborate. Third one is what does devoted to side issues mean in this context. Fourth one, what is the position in the organization of those who steal others' ideas and how they do it? And what does the counter dependence mean, and complete the following this table. So we have given this table, and here is a people and the role at the meeting. So there are the blanks are here, and we have to just fill out here. So if you want to answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, or kindly note this number is 900-936-8238. This is my WhatsApp number, and you can talk to us on the WhatsApp, and I will give you the answers of all the assignments of MCA new course. And if you have any doubts related to this course, so you can also uh, can take help from us. And thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video.